Yo! Hello guys, it's Doc TV. So meron naman tayong bagong unboxing na Jordan 1 Low OG. So ang tawag natin dito ay Chinese New Year, Year of the Dragon Edition. So napaka-solid nito. So abangan natin at excited na akong isuot itong bagong Jordan 1 Year of the Dragon Edition. Shoutout pala sa Nihon Qualities. Ito na naman sir, dumating na po ang aking panibagong order na Jordan 1 Low OG Year of the Dragon Edition. So maraming salamat po. Pag gusto nyo lang po kung order, subok na subok po. Nihon Qualities. Try to DM them sa Nihon Qualities. Sasagot po yan. From Japan to Philippines. Maraming salamat po again for another purchase sa aking Jordan collection. So stay safe guys. Doc TV.